Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on Newport West. Now, the government wants to convert Newport West into a logistics facility and a competitive economic zone. So recently, some members of the EU came down and took a tour of the facility. They're actually touring Jamaica, and this was one of the places they visited. So we're going to give you an update on the plans that the government has for Newport West. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator the Honourable Auburn Hill, has welcomed the involvement of the European Union in the redevelopment of Newport West. The EU will be making funding available for a study and a business model that will result in the area becoming a world-class logistics facility and a competitive, resilient economic zone. Speaking at a press briefing held at the Kingston Wharves Limited corporate office, Minister Hill said the group understands that we want to become the logistics hub of the region. The minister informed that the level of investments and expertise that Jamaica is seeking to attract for Newport West will not come without a study that is comprehensive and detailed. They have agreed to help fund that study. At a higher level, we will be looking at Jamaica's special economic zone because we intend to become the logistics in the region. Guyana is developing. They do not have a deep water port and no big ship can go in there. Jamaica then is a natural transshipment area to feed Guyana, Mr. Hill stated. The press briefing was attended by private sector investors, officials from the European Investment Bank, and other personnel from the EU. Mr. Hill stated that the study will aid the European Investment Bank and local investors, while adding that the local market, such as the pension fund, has money that can be put into long-term investments. So a development like this in the port would be ideal for them. The EU delegation participated in numerous activities such as a tour of the German ship repair Jamaica facility at Harbour Head in Kingston. The itinerary also includes visits to both port terminals, Kingston Freeport Terminal and Kingston Wharves, including the Kingston Wharves Limited Global Auto Logistics Center. Funding for the redevelopment of Newport West will be channeled through the EU Global Gateway agenda. Alright, so that's the end of the article. Now, this is very good because Newport West, how do we say it? It needs to be modernized. It needs a new look. We have videos up of it. You can check it out. Kingston Wharves or Newport West. And a lot of the buildings there are old, and if it can become a logistics hub, that's great. Jamaica has the port. Jamaica is ideally located for shipping. We have the Kingston Harbour, 7th largest natural harbour in the world. So we need to take full advantage of Jamaica's geographic location and the harbour. So we'll keep you guys updated on this project. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.